Hello Belgium, hello Ghana, hello everyone. I'm Karikari-Mensah, aka Victor. I'm gonna walk 7,000 kilometers from Belgium to Ghana, Kumasi to be precise. I'm joining forces with Daniel. Now, for those of you who don't know Daniel, watch this video.
Hi, my name's Daniel. Follow me as I walk from London to Ghana. The reason I'm doing this is because last year I lost my beautiful fiancée Caroline to colorectal cancer. Caroline was of Ghanaian descent and had wished for some of her ashes to be taken back home to Kumasi in Ghana to be laid to rest.
I was born and raised in Ghana, living in Belgium for the last 12 years. The last 5 years working with Nike. It's still my goal to walk from Belgium to Ghana, which made me walk early last year 55 kilometers and 65 kilometers from Antwerpen to Leuven and from Antwerpen to Ghent, respectively. Through training, one day after work, I fell with my bike and I was injured, and that made me pause.
Is it going to be easy? No. Is it going to be hard? Hell yeah. And that is the best part. The best part is pushing through the pain.
Seeing Daniel's video reminded me of my goal. So I'm gonna join forces with Daniel. Though it's a different goal, but same destination. The aim behind this journey is to create awareness of how easy we've had it compared to our forefathers, their generations, where there were no lights, where there were no road demarcations, where there were no technology. But they still made it, so why can't we? And I'm also gonna raise funds also for orphans in Ghana. My journey starts 7th November, where I walk from Belgium to France within 5 days to meet up with Daniel. Then we continue from there. So I don't have much time, but I know with your support, morale, prayers, and all the energy that I need to make this goal accomplished, I know we're gonna help. So ladies and gentlemen, like, share, follow, and subscribe. One love.